Hi, Mark here from newhometricks.com, and today I want to give you an update on the savings report for the month of January with our Tado smart heating system. Unfortunately, I'm not able to bring you the full set of details that I normally am able to. We had a billing correction on our energy bill, which meant that we were refunded our bill for the month of December, and it was then recalculated and rolled into a 2-month bill for the months of December and January combined, which means that I don't actually have usage information for January in isolation. It was all kind of lumped together for December and January together, so I don't actually have that billing information, so I can't give you the usual calculation that I do. But what I can give you is I can give you the savings information as reported by the Tado app. So the figures that we got for the month of January was 16.8% savings. That was the estimate that Tado gives us, and the figures that it's giving us there as to how it's been able to save us money is the geofencing, 148 hours of away mode during January. We had 63 hours of weather adaptation, or 63 hours of sunshine, 33 open window detections, 9.1 hours per day of smart scheduling, and 0.5% manual control. So that's 0.5% of the time when Tado was set manually to an energy saving temperature. So those are the areas where Tado has been saving us money and saving us energy during the month of January. Hopefully for the month of February I'll be able to get back to giving you a full calculation again. We'll see what the figures are there. That looks like for the month of January a saving that's fairly in line with some of the savings that we've had in previous months, so it looks like a relatively good figure there. But again, we'll see what we get for February and then into March, see what those figures bring. Certainly seem to be having a bit of a cold spell at the moment, so we'll see what effect that has on our heating bills and what effect that has on the energy savings report that we get for February. We'll bring you obviously that sometime, hopefully early March, when we get that, and have a look at what savings we got. You'll find the link to the website, newhometricks.com, in the description below, so check that out. If you've liked this video, please share it. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.